To set talkback text to speech language, to use the same language with your phone in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap talkback. Tap setting. Under audio section, tap text to speech setting. Tap language and then select use system language. By doing this action, the talkback text to speech will read the text aloud in the language you have set as the default phone language. As the example, if you set English UK as the phone language, then talkback text to speech will read the text in English UK too. To know how the sound will look like, tap play button.
This is an example of speech synthesis in English.
Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.